Hello kid, let me tell you something. Well, just like we have different body parts like our hands, legs, head, similarly the vehicles also have their body parts. So let's know what are they. Well, let me tell you a story about Raju. Raju's father had bought a new car. So everybody in the family was very happy seeing their new car. After that, every day Raju used to see that his father took great care of the car. Do you know why? Well, just like you, poor Raju was also confused. So one day, Raju asked his father that why do you take so much of care of a car? It is a non-living thing. It is not living like you and me. So why do you need to take care of that? His father said, just like we have different body parts like the eyebrow, eye, nose, mouth, hand, leg and foot, similarly the car also has different parts. So let's know what are they. So the front part of the car is known as hood and there is the engine inside. So it protects the engine. How? Let's see. Well, you see a ball falling over here, but it didn't hurt the engine. So the front part of the car is known as the hood. And how does it help? Well, it protects the engine. Now after the hood, we have got the eyes of the car, which are known as the headlights. Well, do you know how do they help? Well, they help the car to see. See, it is moving and with the help of headlight, the car is seeing what is there in front. There he saw the rock and the car stopped. So, in this way, the headlights help the car. So, how do the eyes of the car help? Well, headlights help the driver to see the road. After the headlight, we have the windshield. And how does it help? Well, the windshield protects against the rain and the wind. Now, what if you want to get inside the car or come out of the car? The door helps you to do that. So, this part is known as the door. There are 4 doors in a car. So how do the doors help? Well, the door helps the people to get in and out of the car. So I have a question for you. We get inside the car with the help of option 1, windows, or option 2, doors, or option 3, tires. So let me tell you. Well, just now we have seen that the door helps you to get inside the car and come out of the car. So the correct option is doors, and windows and tires are the wrong option. Now after the doors, over here we see there are the windows. Now when it rains, you can always lift the windows. So what happens? You are protected. So what is the name of this part? It is known as the window. And how does it help? Well, the window helps to get fresh air. It also protects the passengers from rain. So now let's see which part of the car is found at the back. It is the trunk and it helps to keep the luggage. So what is this part known as? This is known as trunk, which is at the back of the car. And how does it help? Well, the trunk helps to keep our luggage inside the car while traveling. Now, over here you can see the feet of the cars, which are known as tires. They help the car to move. So, what are these parts known as? These are known as tires. And the tires help the car to move. Now, if you look at the inside of the car, you will find there is a part which is known as steering wheel. So, the steering wheel helps the car to follow directions and to go either right or left. So, how does a steering wheel help? Well, it helps the car to turn and change directions. Now, we all love to sit inside the car because there are these comfortable seats which help us to sit and relax inside the car. So, seat is also an important part in the car. How does it help? Well, it helps us to sit comfortably in the car. So, we have learned the different parts of a car. So, let's revise. First, we saw the front part of the car, which is known as the hood. And how does it help? Well, it helps in protecting the engine. After that, we saw there were the headlights, which acted like the eyes of the car. So, the headlights helped the driver to see the road. After that, we have got the windshield, which protects the passengers from wind and rain. Following the windshield, we had the roof, which is the top part of the car. So, this also protects the passengers sitting inside the car from rain. So, after that, there were the doors, which helped the people to get inside the car or get out of the car. And while driving, we saw how the windows help. The windows help us to get fresh air. But if it starts raining or a storm happens, then we can lift them and protect ourselves. After the windows, we saw the back part of the car, which is known as the trunk. And how does that help? Well, with the help of the trunk, we can put the luggage inside the car while traveling. So finally, we have the part of the car which helps the car to move. What are they? Well, they are known as the tires. The tires help the car to move. So these are the different parts of a car. Now, we have already seen that a car has all of these different parts. So what about the other vehicles? Do they also have similar parts? Well, if you see over here, we have the bus, train, van and auto rickshaw. And what is common in all of these? Well, all of them have got headlights, windows, roof. So, you can see that these parts are common in the other vehicles as well. So, now my dear kid, you know, just like we have different parts, the vehicles also have different parts. So, we need to take care of them as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, At deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So register for free now.